In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Fingerprint on your Android phone. If you don't want to use Fingerprint unlock, you can easily turn it off by following these steps. First, let's unlock the phone. After unlocking your phone, go to the Settings app. Once you are in Settings, scroll down a little bit, then find the lock screen and AOD option, tap on it, and then select lock screen and biometrics. Now verify to enter your PIN, password or pattern lock. After that, you can open the next page. Next, you will see the fingerprint option at the bottom, tap on it. As you can see, fingerprint unlock is currently enabled on my phone. If you want, you can keep your fingerprint safe and simply turn off the fingerprint unlock option. This way, your fingerprint will remain safe on your phone and you can use it again in the future if you want. Alternatively, you can completely remove your safe fingerprint. To do this, tap on the fingerprint you want to remove, then tap on remove and select remove again to confirm. This will completely remove your fingerprint from your phone and fingerprint unlock will no longer be available. After that, you will need to use your PIN or password or pattern to unlock your phone. Of course, if you don't want to use a PIN, you can also remove it from your phone. So everyone, that's how you can turn off fingerprint unlock or completely remove a safe fingerprint from your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel Fix Your Apps. Thanks for watching.